Here's a look at just competitors who are up on a high-rise washing windows. It's kind of nice, you can oversee everything. So we're watching a group of 3 guys, 2 water-fed poles. Their poles are so heavy, they need a third guy to switch off with. They're using these Tucker poles. Let's see if we can get in on them. So what's happened is those 3 guys, and this is only on a 2-story, it's a tall 2-story, but it's a 2-story building. So now this guy's just as a backup, just to move cones, which their cones are way back here and they're way over here. His job is to now move cones and then switch with one of these 2 guys because they're getting too exhausted. 2 guys working at the same height. Both those poles are on that top floor. What we prefer to do is one up on the top floor, one on the row below, each stay at your level, a little efficient. Oh, just had the pass. He just passed off the pole. Now he's gonna go move some cones because now they don't even have any barricades, any cones anywhere. But they'll get it here. Just to look at a different job site, how looking views of how we might view something compared to how others are getting it done. We do high rise, we do low rise, residential, and even low commercial with water fed. Different look. They're getting it done. We could just be more efficient, be more productive. Think about the process you use and how it might be tweaked.